Is Shiba Inu better than both Bitcoin and Ethereum? Some people will come in here and right away comment without watching the video and say, oh, no, it's a joke, it's a scam, it's a meme. And the problem is people aren't looking at the numbers. When we look at how SHIB is done from the low of the bear market to where we're at currently, it's actually the best performer of all three of these. So for example, when SHIB had its swing low back in, I think it was June. Yeah, June of 2023. Since that point, we have actually exploded 358% in terms of price compared to where we sit at currently. We look at BTC, it's climbed from $15,000 all the way to where we're at currently, 67.5K. It's a 334% gain. Ethereum, same thing, big swing low in June of 2022, actually. And that bottomed out at about $880 or so, currently up about 306%. So when we look at the numbers, Shiba Inu is actually the best performer of all three of these assets. Now, I have to say this, is this an indication of what's going to happen the rest of the market cycle? Not necessarily. Obviously, we know that BTC has had kind of an unnatural push because of institutional money. And I don't think that slows down, right? I think that continues to ramp up. I think that we continue to see that acceleration in terms of BTC as we move through this bull market cycle. But what also likely changes is as we see further blockchain adoption and things like an Ethereum spot ETF, I think Ethereum accelerates. I think it actually outperforms BTC in this market cycle. So that brings us to SHIB now. What is SHIB going to do compared to these other assets? Well, if size dictates anything, if rainbow regression curves and law of diminishing returns dictate anything, it's likely that Shiba Inu will outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum as we continue through this cycle. Now, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice, but really when you think about it, SHIB has more room to grow. There are less people holding Shiba Inu by a long shot compared to Ethereum and BTC. It takes less to move the needle. There is less people that are willing to sell Shiba Inu above these levels than there are people that are messing with Bitcoin, right? There's shorts on Bitcoin, there's leverage trading, things like that. Not a lot of people do that with Shiba Inu right now, at least, right? And that's where this runway begins to elongate in terms of SHIB. It would not surprise me if by the end of this market cycle, SHIB was a top 5 asset. All right. It could even theoretically be higher. Just the impact that we're going to see from retail adoption, the impact that we're going to see from mass adoption. And this isn't even factoring in developments from the community and things like that. All those are going to impact Shiba Inu in a very positive way. We've seen the early signs. Obviously, SHIB pumped. It did extremely well. And obviously, Shiba Inu is not the best performing coin. There are coins that are above SHIB that have performed better, something like Solana, for example. But you guys get the point. SHIB is still so early in its life cycle. It has not been through even a full bull market yet, or a full market cycle period, has never been through a Bitcoin halving, that we don't even know what to expect. But Shiba Inu optics, Shiba Inu retail adoption are big drivers of SHIB. So what happens when we go from 5% of the world in crypto to 10%? And retail flocks to assets that retail tends to dominate, like Shiba Inu. It tends to move price to the upside, right? Now, that's not, again, taking into account, deflationary aspects of Shiba Inu, fixed supply. Obviously, Ethereum's kind of inflationary, but deflationary at the same time. It kind of bounces back and forth between the two. Bitcoin's inflationary. So we're still so early in this life cycle for SHIB. We're so early in this life cycle for crypto in general. And people, I think, are missing out on big opportunity because they get so entrenched in the big dogs like Bitcoin and Ethereum that they miss out on opportunity throughout the space. They may just look past it. A lot of people have looked past SHIB. Frankly, guys, if you're not familiar, I looked past SHIB last market cycle completely. Thought the same thing, joke, scam, not really scam, just more so wasn't really interested in meme coins. But it wasn't until I saw the fundamentals, I saw the metrics that were performing great for SHIB, I saw the development from the community that it really finally clicked for me. And because of that, I was able to accumulate in the lows of this bear market cycle. It got some great positions. I've DCA'd on the way up. I think SHIB is well positioned for even further performance from here. Now, again, this is not financial advice. You do not use this as an indicator, but just get excited. Bigger and better things are coming for crypto, and I'm happy to be on this journey with you guys. So I appreciate you as always. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think SHIB is in fact better than BTC and Ethereum. But have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.